Hi, I am going to teach you about attachment techniques. What you will need for attachment demonstration is a tube with the slits cut in the bottom all the way around. This is a flange attachment, and you will bend them back like so to create a flat surface to glue down. When you're applying your glue, it is important to remember to not use too much glue. We're going to use the dot, 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 not a lot method and place one dot on each one of these flange pieces. That will then sit flat on the paper and create a very sturdy attachment. You might have to hold this one a couple seconds so the glue can get sticky. I'm just going to count to 5 in my head. And we have the flange attachment. You can make things like rocket ships with the flange, maybe a tree if it was longer, a drum if you put maybe some tape over the top or another piece of cardboard, or any other idea you have that may require a round tube. The next attachment technique we will be learning about today is called the L-brace. And the L-brace looks a lot like a little laptop. It's going to stand up like this on the paper in the shape of an L. That's why it's called the L-brace. The first step to create the L-brace is to take the tape, and you don't need a lot of tape. We have small pieces of cardboard here, so I'm going to choose the size of my tape based on the size of my cardboard. If I had bigger cardboard, I might use a larger amount of tape. And I'm going to tape the first one down. The next piece of tape is going to be used to help keep my laptop screen up. So this tape is going to go halfway on the laptop screen and halfway on the laptop bottom, tilting it up to make an L. This isn't the best attachment yet because it's a little flimsy, so I can add another piece of tape to the back of it, and that will make it a stronger attachment. Half on the laptop, half on the paper. And there we have the L-brace that isn't going anywhere, nice and sturdy. The X-brace is the one we're going to learn about next, and that is made by using 2 Lego pants. You see how this is a square with a slit cut into it, but it kind of looks like a pair of Lego pants, especially when I make it run like that. So there's 2 of these. You're going to put the Lego pants feet close to one another and turn one of the Lego pants so that we have one flat and one turned up like this. The feet are going to go together and slide into each other's slits right there. You might have to wiggle this one a little bit to get it all the way. But then we have an X-brace. You see that? It's called an X-brace because it looks like an X. This one can be glued down by applying just a little bit of glue to the bottom of the X-brace and standing it up like that. This one will also take a couple of seconds to dry, so just let it be patient. Glue takes a little bit to dry. The final attachment technique that we will be learning about is called tabs. These are what tabs are. They're little pieces of paper that are folded. They will be glued, and they're going to help stand something else up. So maybe you're going to make a shark fin or a wall with the tab technique. I'm going to take my little piece of construction paper, fold it in half, and then on the outside of the alligator mouth, I will apply the glue. So we have 1 dot there, 1 dot there, not a lot. You might need a friend to help you hold the cardboard up for this part, so you can just ask your neighbor. And that is going to glue half on the paper and other half on the cardboard, just like that. It's already standing, but it might fall over, so we're gonna add 3 more to make sure it is a sturdy, strong attachment. So again, the paper is folded. I'm applying glue to the outside of the alligator mouth. And this time I'm going to go on the other side of the cardboard I'm trying to stand. Glue one side down to the paper and the other side onto the cardboard. I'm gonna do that 2 more times and we'll have our sturdy attachment. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.